Good morning, Heights Eagles. My name is Mrs. Krennick, and I teach second grade here at the Heights Community School. Today's date is Wednesday, November 3rd, 2021. Our lunch menu is oven-fried chicken drumstick, mashed potatoes, grape tomatoes, and a banana, or soy butter sandwich with your choice of chocolate or white milk. This is the first week of the month of November, and it is getting colder every day, and we know that here in the state of Minnesota, it gets very cold in the winter. So make sure that you are coming to school with all of the warm clothes you need, and please let your teacher know if you need anything specific: jacket, gloves, hat, scarf, boots. Please let us know. The tool of the week is chair dog. So what you're going to do is put a chair in front of you. You're going to bend over and you're going to take three breaths. We'll do it together. Okay, so I'm going to on my chair and I'm going to take a deep breath in. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. So hopefully you are back in the green zone, ready for school. Another thing, this month is Native American Heritage Month, and that means the first people that lived on our land were called indigenous peoples, and this means that they were the original settlers, and the Native Americans are the indigenous peoples and cultures of the United States, which is the country we live in. Remember, Heights Eagles, to be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. And one of the ways we do that is to wear our mask over our nose and over our mouth through the whole day. Okay, so let us do our call and response. Have a great day and make it the best day ever. And you say, you too, Mrs. Krennick. Have a great day and make it the best day ever. You too, Mrs. Krennick.